All right, welcome everybody. Today we are going to look at the alpha continuum and what it means as a UI UX designer. Most often, this is going to be specific to websites. A man named Larry Marine is responsible for teaching me this, understanding this from him. So I'm reiterating that which I've learned, hopefully bringing a little bit of value to you guys here. So first off, the alpha continuum. You've got a bunch of letter A's. We have awareness in the beginning and then action down at the very bottom. So we all know a call to action is meant to get that user to engage. However, it is we've defined as a business to actually act in our and their best interest. So first off, that user needs to be aware of us. First off, they have to get to your website, and that awareness is taken care of typically by Google search. They type in whatever it is there you show up. You've done a great job with your SEO, got your link, and then they just land on your web page. Awareness has been now taken care of. Now, once they get onto that website, most often we see some kind of button right here that says buy now. And guess what that user never does? They never click on that button ever. They always scroll right past it because we're trying to jump from awareness to all of a sudden getting them to act without actually walking them through this process. If we walk them through this process, there's a very strong likelihood that they will end up acting. So from awareness, we need to grab their attention. This call to action button does not necessarily mean that we've gotten their attention. Telling them, here's all the companies that we've worked with, not necessarily grabbing their attention. In order to actually move from this place of awareness to something that they're actually attentive to and not just clicking that X right out of there, is by understanding what that user's pain point is and how are we solving that pain point for them. Once we have their attention, now it's time to actually attract them to us. So first they're aware, we have their attention because we have shown somehow right here that we understand who they are as a person. We have our personas, we have our target audience, and we are speaking directly to them. It says, hey, I bet you've got a point of pain, and maybe I can help you out. I don't want you to buy now. I want you to learn more so that maybe we can continue moving through this process. That attraction happens with you saying, you know what, I understand this pain point, and now maybe I actually have a solution for you. Once they're attracted, they say, you know what, I think I might actually be able to trust this website. Can I actually believe them? And I want to believe them because you've walked me through these steps, you've understood who I am, and now I need to affirm affirmation that yes, I've worked with these different companies. Here's the things they've said about working with me. Here's the things that other clients have responded to and said, you know what, this has been awesome and this is the reason why. All of a sudden you affirm the fact that first I was attentive to you, I'm attracted to the solution that I'm assuming that you have for me. Now show me, affirm in my mind, my eyes, that this is actually what it is that I need to solve my point of pain. And then from there we can actually move into that action. This alpha continuum, I'm going to go into quite a bit more depth individually, especially as it relates to actual web design, and moving away from this hero page, landing page of here's who we are, jump right into that call to action. Does not work almost ever, which is why we see such a high bounce rate. So hopefully that quick understanding of these 5 words that start with the letter A and moving that user to their end solution and your end solution, business goals, that will actually get conversion on that website. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, of course, feel free to leave any comments and I will get